Looking for a house that is surrounded by golf courses, tons of shopping, parks, and a hospital in a wonderful community? And we have the house for you, located here in the prestigious Windermire Ridge community in O'Fallon, Illinois. Located at the end of the cul-de-sac in this community here, we have this beautiful ranch home, which means with it being back in the cul-de-sac, next to no traffic coming through at all. This is 1170 Red Hawk Ridge in O'Fallon, Illinois. Let's come on inside and take a look at it. Hey guys, I'm Ryan Saubman with Rising Group and Keller Williams Marquee, and today we are going to show you this 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 4,200 square foot house located in O'Fallon, Illinois. Now, I love an open concept so the family can be together, and this has exactly that. Starting in the living room, we have this large space that is pronounced by large vaulted ceilings and 2 oversized windows, enclosing a nice gas fireplace. From the living room right into the eat-in kitchen, we have access to the back deck, which overlooks the backyard. We continue the open concept here with this spacious kitchen. If you love entertaining, this 4,200 square foot home has plenty of room with a formal dining room, 4 bedrooms, and 3 bathrooms on the main level. Here we are in the spacious master bedroom with plenty of windows that overlook the backyard and its very own ensuite. In the ensuite, we have dual vanities with a makeup top along with a jetted tub. Also have its very own shower and a walk-in closet. In addition to the master bedroom that has its own ensuite, we also have an additional guest bedroom that has its very own ensuite with a shower as well. On this side of the house, we have 2 bedrooms with a shared bathroom here with dual vanities and a nice shower tub combo. In addition to the bedrooms on the other side with the ensuite, we have on this side, we have 2 bedrooms that share a bathroom. Here in the kitchen, we have a laundry room that's dual purpose as a mudroom that also leads into the 3-car garage. Here in the 3-car garage, we have plenty of space with a man door on the side so we don't have to open the garage doors. The garage doors are automatic, and it also has a whole house vacuum system. So down here on the lower level in the basement here, we have an additional 2,000 square feet. We have a large bar top area with a beverage fridge, a microwave, and a dishwasher. That also sits right next to a walkout that leads to a patio to the backyard. With entertainment being the primary focus of this basement, we have in-wall speakers, in-ceiling speakers, and room for a large TV on the wall. Now I'm gonna take you guys in one of my favorite rooms of this entire place. If you guys know me, I love movies, and this is why this is my favorite room. Take a look at this awesome, awesome theater room. This room has beautiful wood accent columns with dimmable lighting. The theater is also set up for stadium seating. On the back side of the basement, we have this area here meant for a workout area. It has built-in speakers. You can put treadmills here, a weight bench, and it really gives plenty of space for your own personal gym. In the workout area, we already have everything pre-wired for a TV and everything for the speakers as well. Here we have a storage area with large shelving, and we also have all your utility shutoffs and fuse box, everything like that to be able to easily access. Here on the lower level, we have a very custom bathroom with a marble top vanity. In this bathroom, we have a custom shower with a rain head and built-in speakers, along with another jetted tub. For the 5th bedroom in the basement here, we have access to a patio out to the backyard, along with direct access to the bathroom. Here in the utility room, we have easy access to the furnace. We also have a utility sink and a tankless water heater. So tankless water heater, with any house that has 5 bedrooms and 4 baths, we all know hot water is a commodity. And with tankless hot water heater, you never really have to worry about that. If you're the last person to take a shower, you still have hot water. If you want to take a look at this beautiful home for yourself, give me a call, Ryan Saltman, at 618-670-6418. Thanks for watching.